Welcome to your online classes. Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to discuss lesson number 6 from your English grammar book, Mastering Grammar, under title Nouns Number. Dear students, in this chapter, we are going to understand singular and plural nouns. Let us start. Now, the question comes in our mind: what is a singular number and what is a plural number? Singular number, a noun which refers to one person, animal, place, or a thing, that is known as singular noun. For example, boy. Boy is a singular noun. Cow, dog. These are examples of singular number. Let us discuss plural number. A noun which refers to more than one person, animal, place, or a thing, that is known as plural number. For example, boys, cows, dogs, etc. Let us understand singular number and plural number with the help of some examples. One mouse means a singular number is known as mouse, and plural of mouse will be mice. Means when a noun which refers to more than one person or one thing, that is known as plural number. One girl, singular form, and girls, that is example of plural number. Let us understand how to form plural nouns. Rule number 1. This rule says that we generally add s to the singular noun to form the plural. Let us understand with the help of some examples. This is a table which is showing singular and plural nouns. Plural of bird will be birds. Book, books. Cat, cats. Dog, dogs. And the plural of pen will be pens. Let us discuss second rule. If nouns ending in s, double s, sh, ch, or x, we generally add es. Bus is a singular noun. When we are making plural of bus, we add es. Glass, glasses. Wish, wishes. Church, churches. Fox, foxes. Dear students, have you observed that bus is ending with s? Glass noun is ending with double s. Wish, this noun ends with sh. Church ends with ch, and fox ends with x. So, if nouns ending in s, double s, sh, ch, or x, we generally add es. Let us understand rule number 3. In case nouns ending in o, we add es. Example, potato. The noun potato is ending with o. So according to rule, we are ending es to make it plural. Hero, heroes. But dear students, there are some exceptions. These nouns are not following the rules. Noun photo and radio, you can see that ending with o, but according to this rule, we are not adding es to make them plural. So, photo will be photos and the plural of radio will be radios. Let us understand next rule. Nouns that end in f or fe. You can see that wolf ending with f, scarf ending with f, and knife ending with fe, and calf that is ending with f. So according to this rule, we change or we form their plural by changing f or fe to ves. Wolf, wolves. Scarf, scarves, knife, knives, calf, calves. Dear students, have you observed that we have removed F or FE and we have added VES to make them plural. But there are some exceptions. Means there are some nouns which are not following this rule. Roof, plural of roof will be roofs. Giraffe, giraffes. Chief, chiefs. Belief, beliefs. Proof, proofs. Let us discuss our next rule. When nouns ending in consonant plus Y, we change Y to IES. Let us understand this rule with the help of the examples. Army. Dear students, you can see that this noun is ending with Y, but before Y there is consonant. We know that we are having 26 letters in alphabet, and out of those 26, 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. Here we are talking that when nouns ending in consonant plus Y, we generally change Y to IES. Means we will drop Y and we will add IES. So plural of army will be armies. Body, bodies. Let us discuss next rule. But if finally Y comes just before a vowel, the plural is formed by just adding S to the singular noun like ray. You can see that this noun is ending with Y, but before Y there is a vowel A. So according to this rule we will add S to make plural of this noun. Ray, rays. Valley, valleys. Tray, trays. Let us discuss last rule, how to form plural nouns. Look at this example. The deer has the most beautiful eyes. Here in this sentence, noun deer is in singular form. Second sentence, I saw many deer in the zoo. Dear students, here the word deer is in plural form. So dear students, there are some nouns which have only plural forms like scissors, trousers, jeans, goggles, spectacles and socks. But there are some other nouns which have only singular forms like furniture, news, information. What does it mean? It means that there are some nouns which have only plural form and there are some nouns which have only singular forms. Dear students, today we have discussed lesson number 6 from your English grammar book Mastering Grammars under title Nouns Number. I hope this topic is clear to everyone. We will meet in our next class. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Have a nice day. Thank you.